Hi, Dr. Ace Thayer here, Balanced Focus Neck Adjustments. I'm so stoked to bring this to you today. This is Steve. He's one of my top 5 videos, over 1 million hits. Check that out. He had 18 years of pain that wasn't relieved, that couldn't find any solution to. It hurt him so bad he couldn't play with his kids. I think you'll love that video, and I think you'll love this follow-up because we showed that there's no placebo effect. There's no temporary fix. He is still feeling great to this day. And so other things you'll see on this video is you'll see how we talk about self-adjusting, how you can start seeing the warning signs of what to look for. But if you like this, we'll send it right to you if you like and subscribe. So like, subscribe, hit that button. We'll send it right to you. I love you guys. See you guys next time. Dr. Thayer here. I'm with a famous video star on my YouTube channel, and he just happens to walk in on Christmas promotion to feed the homeless. And so I come in, I'm like, holy shit! Huh? Oh, holy shit, he's here. I don't know, my camera woman never knows what to tell me. She always mouths stuff. I go, what is she saying? What is she saying?
I was saying we knew because he made an appointment.
Oh, but he didn't tell me. Okay, so anyways, we knew. Well, anyways, I'm so stoked to see this guy. And all you guys out there have been asking for his video, what's been going on with this guy, and he hasn't been here. So I haven't really gone over any of the symptoms, but I always like to see you guys talk about placebo effect and how it's just in his mind, and I convinced this guy and he's too stupid to actually know that he was even better, and that I'm such a good salesman. But we're gonna find out how he's doing a year later. Last time he was here was September 16th, 2017, and this is December 14th, 2018. And so that's over a year, guys. And so I'm telling you, I haven't even talked about his symptoms, and I already know he's still doing better than before he came in.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna ask him how he's doing. Steve, good to see you, man. So tell us how you're doing. Just kind of tell us the whole general thing, and we'll go over some of your old symptoms.
I'm doing a hell of a lot better. This guy's a blessing. The whole office, you know. I could say I'm at about 85% now. Before, when I was at like 40% maybe, maybe less than that. I have energy. I can get up. I can move around. I'm not in pain like I was all the time. Every now and then it comes back. But I'm good. I can throw my kids on my back now, crawl around with them, and they're a lot bigger now than they were then.
Yes. Again, they all want to know. You did better, of course. You did better when you were here. But what has this last over a year done to your body? I mean, of course you've had some pain come back, but are we anywhere near what you had before you came in originally?
No, nowhere close to that. I'm, like I said, being 85%, like when I was down to the ground,
For 18 freaking years.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. I was 18 years of a lot of pain, especially in the neck, shoulders, weakness. I feel stronger. I can run around now. I just feel better overall.
Okay. Again, the big thing that melted everybody's heart out there was that you could pick your kids up and that you didn't have that ability to do before.
Right.
Again, you said you throw them on your back now. What is that like? What is it like to have that ability to just do it anytime you want now?
Oh, well, it's great. It's wonderful. It really touched my heart. It really did. It did it from the first day that you adjusted me. But now I can, like I said, I can do it all with them. I can really enjoy my kids.
Yeah. Again, everybody out there really loved your story and really understood that it was a big game changer for you to come here. But again, a lot of people out there don't believe that chiropractic works, that it actually can have legs, that it can keep going. And so he hasn't. Have you had any chiropractic since then?
No.
So
I wouldn't go to anybody
you haven't
else.
Cheated on me?
Never, never, and I won't. You're the only chiropractor for me, man. And really, it's the method. It's whatever he uses. That's what it is. I wouldn't recommend anybody else.
No, I appreciate that.
And that's the truth.
So I have his card from back then. It's a little older, a little more tattered because it's been sitting in our file for so long. I'm just kidding, but it's. I want to go over his old symptoms. I'm just kind of curious. I haven't asked any of these questions. So big thing you came in for was low back pain. Where are we at with that? I know you have some.
Yeah,
probably,
some, but nothing compared to what it was.
How about left sciatic pain? Then down the leg?
Yeah.
Does it still go to the leg sometimes?
No, it's just in the waist region.
Gotcha.
But, you know,
just be honest. I want you to everybody understand what over a year. I mean, nobody expects me to even help you for over a day.
Right.
They go, I go to my chiropractor and he only helps for 2 days, and that stuff doesn't work and it doesn't hold because you guys are just temporary relief. Again, things are going to go back. Absolutely, muscle memory is going to kick in.
Yes.
But we're here to tell you that a lot of it is held on, right?
Oh yeah.
So hand grip. You had a problem with your hand grip? Or
Yeah,
something?
I'm stronger. Like I said, my shoulder pains.
Strong like bull.
Yeah.
Numbness, arms and hands.
No numbness.
I'm just going off the symptoms, guys, of what he had before. Weak shoulders.
Yep, they're a lot stronger now.
Good, yeah, it's cool. I mean, Bell's palsy, your eye. We had
that has actually gone away by the most part. Every now and then I've felt where it would get stuck a little, but
I don't see it.
Good.
So I have to rewind the video, see if it kind of comes in, because I don't see it at all. I don't remember even talking about it, but again, we have it on here. Knee pain. How about your knees?
Oh, no knee pain.
Okay. Anxiety.
I forgot about the knee pain.
Yeah, right? And everybody goes, why do you take such good notes? And no, you guys don't know this, but why do you take so many notes? Why does this exam go so long? Because in the end, I have to create value for my patients. So the value is I keep track of all the things they say. And so when they come back and they go, oh, I don't know if I'm any better. How's that knee pain? Oh, I forgot I even had it. I hear that all the time. So I take good notes, guys, and I understand what they came in with, and I want to know where we're going to. And he even forgot. So last thing, anxiety. Anxiety, yes. What has that been like?
No anxiety.
That was one of the things we had on there.
Yeah.
And how's your sleep doing?
That's wonderful, man.
Wonderful.
I sleep like a log.
Yeah. Anyways, Merry Christmas to me, because this guy came back into my life in here. I love this guy, and pisses me off that he freaking left. But it was great to see him today, and I want to show you guys what happened, and I want to show you about placebo effect, how it doesn't mean anything, and we're going to show you his adjustment. Ready to get adjusted, dude?
Let's do it.
On your back here. I like the boots. I heard you around the house this morning.
Click, 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 click.
Okay. So you lying to me about cheating on me, man?
It's all that self-adjustment.
Yeah. Do you self-adjust still?
Every now and then, yeah.
How often do you think now? I'm just kind of curious. Not that I'm endorsing it, guys, but I'm kind of curious what he over a year does. It comes back a little bit. I want to know.
I would say
honestly,
easily once a day.
Once a day. Okay.
Yeah.
That has to be that's a ton less than it used to be. So still once a day. Gotcha. Yeah. When I ask you guys, real quick on that, when I ask you guys to stop self-adjusting, it's terrible for you. It creates problems where there weren't problems before. Steve knows that. But again, when you don't get adjusted for a long period of time, the body starts wanting to go backwards in time. So this self-adjusting starts creeping back in your life. It starts here. If he stayed longer away from me, he would still be better than when he came in, but the self-adjusting would start to become more prevalent. Why? Because his body's still starting to go backwards, and it wants to find relief. So a lot of times when people come into me and they start self-adjusting again, that's a warning sign that you need to get adjusted again. So anyways, I wanted to point that out. Good. Beautiful. Wow.
I love that.
Did you miss me, dude?
Yeah, dude, I really did.
That was huge. Good, nice. So we're gonna walk him down the hall real quick. Good. Good. Remember, no twisting and turning, right?
Right.
Want to sit up? Okay. People are gonna love this video, dude. They can't wait to see what you're doing. He actually got recognized. Where'd you get at Knoxbury Farm or Disneyland?
Yeah, Knoxbury
Farm. He goes, "You're that dude on. I've seen you before." He goes, "No, you haven't." That's not right here. He goes, "I've seen you before. Seen you before." He goes, "No, I haven't." He goes, "You're that guy. What?" I'll start.
From the video. That doctor, I'm like, yep. I'm like, all right.
Funny.
Yeah.
Anyways, thanks so much, man. Good. See you guys next time.